Entry number 14, Tamban National High School, Tamban, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Jaymar Campillos. Troop S1, Princess Torrijos. Troop S2, GMC Yanson. Troop S3, Queenie Pianyar. Troop S4, Gemma Antones. Major Leader, Fiona Burang. DXMC Leader, Ezekiel Xavier Delusa. Mapet Company Commander, Alex Pedrosa. Mapet Company EXO, Mariana Idea. First Platoon Leader Boys, Angelo Ariate. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Kimberly Joy Macao. School Head, Rolando Narvato Jr. CTV Mapet Facilitator, Virgil Elba. Matrix Coordinator, Jaime Narvato. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Alvin Diaz. Honorable Domindor E. Maria Jr. Puro Barangay. ERR Classes Support Staff, Billy Nestor, Alvin Bassett, Sergeant General. Entry number 14, Tamban National High School, Tamban, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 14, Tamban National High School, Tamban, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Next entry.